Good morning, guys. Hope you guys are having an awesome morning. I wanted to bring something easy breezy to my beginner makeup, like for the ladies that want to wear lashes, but lashes is very hard to put it on. And I wanted to bring you guys something that helped me because I was one of those people that lashes is very intimidating for me and it's very, very hard to put on. But what I realize is that when you're using a glue that has to cure, like if you get a wet glue that has to cure, and if you don't know the time, the setting time, then your lashes is going to slide. They're not going to be put on right. These are two glues that I got. This is called, if I can see it, Super Lash Adhesive Glue. That is that one. And this one came with the set. This one is called Lash View. And I got both of these off of Amazon. What I love about this one goes on like a mascara. You put it on, ladies, like you would do mascara, okay? And this stuff has a really sticky residue right away. I already have on one. So for my ladies like me that had a hard time setting those lashes, and you go, oh my gosh, you just trying and you never could get it set. You get it right the first time because it's the glue. It is the glue. And like I say, my videos ain't for the makeup guru, so don't get on here talking. My channel for the small people like myself that want to learn some easy steps and how to apply your lashes. So of course, you're going to measure it to your eye before you get started and cut off whatever excess that you don't need. And then you take it, and I got to look over here, guys, because that's the phone. So I got to look in the mirror so I can see. But I take it and I line it up, put it right there at the beginning to right there to the end. And boom, look at that. They're on. So that will help anybody that want to wear lashes and they have an extremely hard time putting them on. For me, it was all about the glue. If I get a glue that has to cure and you don't know when to stick it down, then that's half the battle. That is half of the battle. It's going to be extremely hard for you to get that done. And then, guys, Amazon have some awesome lashes. Let me show you. A great buy. I buy a lot of them. And I wind up on an accident. I don't wear the 30-inch. But on an accident, I'm ordering lashes. And my tail done got some 30-inch lashes. So I got to find one of my little nieces to give it to. I didn't intend to buy them. None of them 30 inches. I can't do no 30 inches. I be looking like lamb chops. I'm not into that. So I'm going to have to find my younger nieces that is. So you see these? I be getting these from Amazon. All of these set of lashes. And one was like 12 and one was like 15. But look at all these lashes you get. And with this glue, I don't take my lashes off at night. I sleep in them. So they be on for a nice long time. They sweat, waterproof. And then, when they start getting the makeup and, I guess when we lay down, the lashes have the tendency, sometimes if you put the pillow to your face, they be tooting up. So, you'll get that if you sleep in them. But you just got to use your eyelash curlers and bring them down. So I hope that helped you guys. I wanted to bring something easy to my ladies that want to wear lashes, but they having a very hard time putting them on. They having a very hard time. To me, it's all about what type of glue you get. Don't get that. Some people use that hair glue, that black hair glue. That stuff takes so long to cure, and it also hurts your eyes. And I have sensitive eyes. I have to use drops because I have severe dry eyes, and this is non-irritation. I don't get that burning. Y'all ever do some of that glue, and before you even can get the lashes on, your eyes is watering and burning? That means that glue do not work out with you. So if you ever put on some lashes and instantly your eyes turn brown and watery, then that means that lash glue is not reacting right with you, and then you're going to have that dull yellow look like you sickly or something. So always pay attention to that. If instantly put it on, your eyes start watering and crying, then you have sensitive eyes. But these two glues from Amazon work amazing, and I have very sensitive eyes, and I haven't had any problem whatsoever. She put my MAC over here too. I was looking for this MAC. I haven't had any problem, none whatsoever. So I hope that helped my ladies that's just starting out to do lashes, and you want to wear the lashes, but you haven't been having a good, time installing them. It's been really hard, and I be using these mirrors where they're magnifying 10 times, so I look in it and it looks right at it. So thank you guys. I hope that helped. I have been looking for this lipstick. My assistant that come and help me get stuff organized, and she organized all my stuff, and she put it somewhere, but I can't even see which one this is. Which one is this? This is my MAC, but I can't even see the name. Okay then, thanks for watching. Bye bye.